Looking for an adults-only paradise in the heart of the Mexican Caribbean? Let me tell you about Playacar Palace, a stunning five-star resort that sits right on the gorgeous beaches of Playa del Carmen in the Riviera Maya. This place has been welcoming guests since 1996 and has become one of the crown jewels of the Palace Resorts family. After a complete transformation in 2019, every corner of this property gleams with modern Mexican elegance while keeping that warm, tropical vibe that makes you feel like you've stepped into paradise the moment you arrive. The resort sprawls across 9 acres of prime beachfront real estate, featuring 201 luxurious suites, all designed exclusively for adults 18 and over. What really sets this place apart is their unlimited luxury concept, which means you get to enjoy premium everything without constantly reaching for your wallet. We're talking top-shelf spirits, gourmet dining at 7 different venues, and activities that would normally cost you extra at other resorts. The property blends Mexican colonial architecture with contemporary design, creating spaces that feel both timeless and fresh. Palm trees sway over manicured gardens, white sand beaches stretch as far as you can see, and the turquoise Caribbean waters are so clear you'll think someone photoshopped them. But what really makes Playacar Palace special is the service. Every guest gets assigned a butler team available 24/7, ready to handle everything from unpacking your luggage to arranging surprise romantic dinners on the beach. This isn't just a hotel, it's a full luxury experience where the staff genuinely seems to care about making your vacation unforgettable. The resort has racked up some serious credentials too, including the AAA Five Diamond Award in 2024 and TripAdvisor Travelers Choice honors for multiple years running, with ratings consistently hovering around 9 out of 10 on Booking. Calm and 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor, it's clear that guests leave this place happy. Now let's talk about where you'll actually be staying, because the accommodations at Playacar Palace are seriously impressive. Every single one of the 201 suites comes with a private balcony, marble floors, and ocean or garden views. The smallest room here is 484 square feet, which is pretty spacious compared to typical hotel rooms. The Junior Suite Oceanfront is the entry-level option, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's basic. You get a king-size bed, a separate living area with a sofa bed, and here's the kicker, a jacuzzi for 2 right in your room. Imagine soaking in bubbles while looking out at the Caribbean Sea from your private balcony. The minibar gets restocked daily with premium drinks and snacks. There's a liquor dispenser so you can mix your own cocktails, and they've got an espresso machine for your morning coffee fix. Smart TVs, high-speed Wi-Fi, plush bathrobes, a safe for your valuables, and even a pillow menu so you can choose exactly how you want to rest your head at night. The butler service means you never have to leave your room if you don't want to, with 24-hour room service bringing whatever you need. During peak winter season and holidays, these oceanfront junior suites run between $700 and $900 per night, but in the quieter summer months, you can snag them for $450 to $550. If you want to save a bit of money, the Junior Suite Garden View offers the exact same amenities and size, just facing the tropical gardens and pool area instead of the ocean. These run about $100 to $200 cheaper, depending on the season. For couples celebrating something special, the Honeymoon Suite is absolutely dreamy. It's 645 square feet with a king bed and, wait for it, a heart-shaped jacuzzi. You get champagne on arrival and rose petals scattered around for that romantic touch. This one goes for $600 to $800 in low season and $900 to $1,200 during peak times. If you're traveling with another couple or just want more space, the Oceanfront Suite is massive at 968 square feet, split into 2 rooms. It's got a king bed plus 2 doubles, multiple TVs, a larger jacuzzi, and some even have private rooftop terraces. These can accommodate up to 4 adults and run from $800 to $1,000 in summer, jumping to $1,200 to $1,500 during the busy season. All rooms feature contemporary Mexican design with white walls, turquoise accents, and modern furniture that looks great without feeling cold or sterile. The balconies come with hammocks, which is perfect for lazy afternoon naps with the ocean breeze. Guest photos show spotless rooms with comfortable beds, and that jacuzzi really is as nice as it sounds. When it comes to food and drinks, Playacar Palace absolutely delivers with 7 different dining venues, and here's the beautiful part, no reservations needed and no annoying wristbands to wear. You just show up whenever you're hungry at whatever restaurant sounds good. Prime Gourmet is the signature steakhouse, serving up perfectly cooked filet mignon, succulent lobster tails, and even wagyu beef if you're feeling fancy. They prepare Caesar salads tableside, which is always fun to watch, and the wine selection is impressive. This place requires resort elegant attire, so leave the shorts and flip-flops in your room, but it's worth dressing up a bit for the quality you get here. Open for dinner from 6 to 11, it seats about 80 people and sometimes offers wine tasting events. La Terrazza does an interesting Italian-Mexican fusion thing that works surprisingly well. They've got wood-fired pizzas with creative toppings, handmade pasta that tastes like someone's Italian grandmother made it, and tiramisu for dessert that's dangerously good. This venue pulls double duty, serving breakfast from 7 to 11:30 in the morning, then switching to dinner service from 6 to 11 at night. It's open air with beautiful views and seats about 120 people. Wednesday nights they do themed Italian nights that are particularly popular. Mediterraneo focuses on seafood with a Mediterranean twist. The grilled octopus is tender and flavorful, the paella is loaded with fresh seafood, and they even do baklava for dessert. Open for both lunch from 12:30 to 5 and dinner from 6 to 11, this spot seats about 100 and does a special seafood buffet on Fridays that guests rave about. If you're craving Asian flavors, Bali Ha'i has you covered with sushi rolls, teppanyaki grills, and pad thai. The sushi is surprisingly fresh for being in Mexico, and they occasionally do sushi-making demonstrations, which is a fun experience. This one's dinner only from 6 to 11 and seats 70 people in a casual but stylish setting. The lobby bar serves as an all-day hangout spot from 10:30 in the morning until 1 in the morning. You can grab cocktails, tapas, and excellent ceviche while listening to live music every night. It's a great place to start or end your evening, with seating for about 50 people in a comfortable lounge atmosphere. The pool bar is exactly what it sounds like, a swim-up bar where you can order tropical drinks and snacks without leaving the water. Open from 10 in the morning to 6 at night, it serves unlimited premium liquor, so you can sip margaritas while floating in the pool all afternoon if that's your idea of vacation. Finally, Helios is the beachfront grill serving lunch from 11 to 5, offering burgers, fresh salads, and whatever the local fishermen caught that morning. It's casual with seating for 60, and it's perfect for grabbing a bite without having to leave the beach. They also do sunset cocktails, which are pretty spectacular. All of this is included in your stay, along with 24-hour room service if you'd rather eat in your suite. Guest reviews consistently praise the food variety and quality, with many saying they ate better here than at restaurants back home. The pool and beach situation at Playacar Palace is absolutely fantastic. There are 3 distinct pools to choose from depending on your mood. The main attraction is the massive infinity pool, which is adults only like the rest of the resort. This thing is 1,200 square meters of crystal clear water with depths ranging from 3.5 to 5 feet, perfect for swimming laps or just floating around. The infinity edge creates that dramatic visual effect where the pool seems to blend right into the ocean beyond. There's a swim-up bar built right in, so you can order drinks without ever leaving the water, and plenty of loungers surrounding it for when you need to dry off and soak up some sun. The second pool is designed as a quiet relaxation area, smaller and more intimate at about 4 feet deep throughout. This is where people go when they want to read a book poolside or just enjoy some peace without the swim-up bar crowd. The third pool sits on the rooftop with stunning ocean views and is kept relatively shallow, making it perfect for lounging rather than serious swimming. All 3 pools are open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, and towel service is included with staff bringing you fresh towels whenever you need them. But honestly, as nice as the pools are, the real star is the beach. Playacar Palace has 250 meters of pristine white sand Caribbean beachfront. The sand is that powdery soft kind that squeaks under your feet, and the water is that impossible turquoise color that doesn't look real. The beach here is sandy with a gentle slope, and the waters are typically calm, making it perfect for swimming. The resort provides kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear completely free, so you can explore the coastline or check out the fish without paying extra. If you want something more adventurous, they offer catamaran rides for an additional fee. What really sets the beach experience apart here is the service. Beach butlers patrol the sand, making sure you have everything you need. Palapas provide shade, and waiters bring drinks and food right to your lounger so you never have to leave your spot. It's the kind of beach service you usually only see at the most expensive resorts, and guests consistently mention it as one of their favorite features. The water is warm year-round, usually hovering around 80 degrees, and visibility is excellent for snorkeling. Beyond lounging by the pool and beach, there's actually quite a bit to keep you busy at Playacar Palace. The fitness center is surprisingly well-equipped for people who can't skip their workouts even on vacation. You'll find treadmills, stationary bikes including Peloton bikes, free weights, TRX suspension trainers, and yoga mats. The facility is open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, giving you plenty of flexibility to squeeze in a workout. They also offer daily fitness classes including yoga, aqua aerobics, and spin classes, all included in your stay. The schedule varies, but there's usually something happening every morning and evening. For water enthusiasts, the complimentary kayaks and paddleboards let you explore the coastline at your own pace. The calm Caribbean waters make it easy even for beginners, and you might spot sea turtles or tropical fish along the way. Snorkeling gear is also free, and the house reef has decent marine life to observe. The resort organizes daily activities like beach volleyball, water aerobics, and various games by the pool to keep the social atmosphere lively. Every evening brings entertainment with live music performances, themed parties, and professional shows. Monday nights typically feature a Mexican fiesta with traditional music and dancing. Tuesday goes back to the 80s with retro tunes, and throughout the week you'll find salsa nights, fire shows, and Tropicana productions. The shows start around 9 and are actually quite good, with professional performers rather than the cheesy hotel entertainment you might expect. The lobby bar hosts live musicians every night, creating a sophisticated atmosphere for after-dinner drinks. For couples looking for romance, the resort can arrange private beach dinners, couples massages, and sunset catamaran cruises for an additional fee. They really excel at creating those special moments that make anniversaries and honeymoons memorable. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.